tell the YouTube world what you're doing.
What do you mean?
You're putting a motorcycle battery in that?
Yeah, this has got 310 cranking amps. It's way, I don't even know if I can get it to fit down in this hole. I mean, this is a tiny battery. I don't even know if this will go down in there.
What does that mean, Wolford?
That's the name of the guy that used to own it.
Oh. Oh. Now, is that a special battery just for four-wheelers right there?
I guess. That's a special nail for a four-wheeler there.
Oh, you're just messing with me. That's not a special nail.
Yeah, I don't think this will go down in there.
Now, that's an actual motorcycle battery, right?
Yeah, it's too big. It ain't going in there. So look how big it is.
Oh.
Yeah, look at the size difference.
Oh, yeah. That is a huge size difference.
Well, I thought I'd look at it and see. It's too bad because if it didn't go in there, it would have probably turned over.
Aw. Yeah, that's a huge size difference. So the motorcycle battery's not going to fit in the four-wheeler.
Too bad.
Sorry, Stephen.
I wonder if it's got enough power to crank it up. Oh, it's backwards. I don't want to hook it up backwards.
No. That would be a disaster.
Will it be a disaster?
And you don't have another four-wheeler battery.
Doggone, I was hoping this battery would work in there. Just for a day or two.
Well, hey, you didn't know until you examined it, so... I'm glad you were able to get the four-wheeler started to be able to drag the limb down to the burn pile.
Just have to charge up that battery jumper. Take it with me. Get some garbage bags, go down there and clean up some of that mess. Pick up some of the mess the litter bugs decided to throw on somebody else's property. They've let me park there for 17 years. And people are just no good. They just think that it's okay to throw their garbage on somebody else's property. If that doesn't show you're no good, I don't know what does.
Yeah, Steven's talking about where he parks the trailer, the flatbed trailer. It's littered with stuff, and he was going to take the four-wheeler down there to clean everything up. People think it's a regular junk pile.
People don't want to pay to put it in a dumpster or pay for their own garbage. So what they do is they take, because they think the world owes them something, they can just, and the world owe you anything. You want something, you get out and work for it, you don't steal it. And stealing ain't no better, ain't no worse than you taking your garbage and throwing it on somebody else's property. Because that's stealing. He's got to pay to get that cleaned up.
Hey, kitty.
Same thing as stealing. No difference.
Well, it was worth looking at. Oh, look, the kitty's found a sunshine spot. Did you find a sunshine spot? Yes, you did, Sunshine Kitty.
Yeah, well, darn. See if it'll start that good. I doubt it.
Are you the one that knocked the motorcycle over?